Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Matt. Welcome to Roads of Oz. Excuse the bandage on the nose, but had to have a freckle removed and it's gone off for biopsy. But that's not what we're here to talk about today. What we're looking at is my lovely Ducati 600SS fairing. It's all completed and let's have a look at how it all started. So I've got to get these damaged fairings and the front nose panel in, because they're all been damaged and need a bit of fiberglass repair. So I should have done this when I first got it. I'm going to take these bolts off and pull it apart. Clean up because they deserve it, and also I don't like handing things over to any trade this dirty. A good clean. I'm surprised how easy the heat gun made removing that sticker. Come up all right. There's a couple of, you can see a minor dent there, and there's one along here which I'll probably just use some filler, I'd say. Hopefully the tank's in good condition internally, but it come up all right. This could do with a bit of a polish, and I might even see about a replacement for it. Overall, quite happy. And all I've done is just cleaned up these pieces. They're going to a spray painter, panel beater. They're going to have to do a bit of work on them. I like giving it to people. I like handing stuff over in good, well, it's good as condition as it's going to be anyway. But tomorrow I've got to go pick up a new screen. That's where we'll cut to next. There's a mob out at Seven Hills called Handcraft Fibreglass, and they specialise in fairings for motorcycles. Yeah, they line up all right. So dropping it off at dropped all the panels off at Mototech, waiting for it to get all resprayed. So the only real time I dropped in to check up on the progress of the fairing was when it was in undercoat, and it looked fantastic and it was ready for paint. Anyway, here's the end results. So I do have the bike in the garage, just waiting on one more part, and that's the left-hand switch block, and the bike will be ready to put all back together, and hopefully you'll get to see that on the next video. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. If you found this video interesting, please like, share it if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next vid.